Oh, got another one, y'all. Yeah, they bite. So, fish, you're not gonna get loose. You're not gonna get loose. Let's let her go. Let's let her go. We out here killing. Definitely gotta watch out for snakes, y'all. Well, we about to have us some fun. Let's drop the boat down. Guys, I absolutely love this boat. Took it out 3 times so far. It's everything you can ask for on a budget. Here we go, y'all. I don't think he has a life jacket, but he said he could swim. He was being stubborn, ain't want to pick one up. Can't baby everybody. Ooh, my God. My high school basketball teammate.
You got recorded?
Yep. It's recording, bro. I told you wear a hat. You ain't want to wear a hat. You gonna meet the Fish Like Daryl gang today. Remind you, y'all, my boy, he don't fish really, but I got a feeling he gonna hook onto a monster today. He might even outfish me. I'm just hoping he don't knock my poles into the water. That's all I'm hoping. Let me know when you're ready for the camera, bro. Yeah, this is gonna be hilarious. You sure you don't want to run and get a vest? I'll still be here. You sure? Look at that. I'll probably grab you before you hit the bottom if you fall in. You'll be okay.
It's not that deep. It can't be that deep.
Nah, it's deep, bro. Watch when you get in there. You think it's not deep. It's deep, bro. By the way, y'all, it's my childhood friend, childhood bro, Davon Watts, aka Freak. Y'all gonna be hearing me call him Freak. I don't know why we call him that. That's what we call him. Probably because he was a freak on the basketball court. He used to block everybody's shot, y'all. Kid you not. That's because he was always that height ever since middle school. That's why. But yeah, y'all, that's my boy.
I haven't grown since, yo. That's crazy.
Yeah, that's a fact. He haven't grown since. I grew, but it wasn't nothing but like 3 inches, and I'm still short. But yeah, y'all, we about to get out here. I ain't bringing all my poles because I'm scared my boy gonna knock him in the water. This water out here is super clear. How many degrees you think it is, bro? About 50 degrees?
Okay.
And y'all, look, he got his mask on. I think he think I got the Rona.
Nah.
He's scary.
It's not that.
He think I got the Rona, y'all.
Not that.
Dang, bro, you gonna really keep the mask on me? Sheesh. But y'all know what's going on. This video is sponsored by the Mystery Tackle Box. We got some live targets, shad. This should be fun to fish with. I think we catch a lot of them off this. It got like a spool in the back. What else we got in here? Of course, we got the rattlebot. I just heard something in the bushes. It could be an anaconda. So you got the bait fish rattlebot, which is green. Then you have the rattlebot curl, which is red. That's what I'm gonna be using today. What else we got in here? The Googan Squad clickbait. We got the shimmer. About 10,000 fish. I think this will go good on a drop shot. A lot of y'all know Lake Fork is a beast. And I guess Lake Fork got a brand. Lake Fork Trophy Lures. Never knew that. Now I know. Live Magic Shad. Probably throw one of these on today, see if it do magic. I also got the clutch, but this didn't come in the mystery tackle box. It came in a previous mystery tackle box that I received. And yeah, like I said, I got the Biospon rattlebot tied up to one of my bait casters. Actually, it's on the Shimano bait caster. We're gonna catch us some big ones. Bro, you sure you don't want to go back to this and get a bass? Or you good? All right. It's wobbly. You just can't shake. Like I could handle. All right, he said he not gonna shake it, y'all. He good. We about to see how good he really is. So actually, the bag is going in the middle. Definitely need a paddle. Advice: always have a paddle when you're dealing with only a trolling motor. Cause if that trolling motor die out or anything, or get tangled on a cord, you're stuck. So always have a paddle. I'm gonna take all my poles, y'all. Let me turn the camera around for this one. If my boy Davon, my bro, if he knocked one of my poles in the water, he gotta replace that pole. And just to let you know, Davon, I got $150 combos right here, man. They're not cheap. Be careful. Let's get in the water. What are we doing? You ready, bro? Them swans over there, they like to attack when birds come close or people come close, but they scared of us. They definitely scared of you. Get my life jacket just in case I gotta save him. You look like you scared. You scared, bro? You did your push-ups? You wanna drop down and do 5 push-ups? You sure? You don't wanna go back and get a life jacket? All right, you good. We'll stay at the edges. We won't go deep. We'll stay at the edge. That way, if you do fall in, you can stand up. We got everything, y'all. You ready, bro? All right. Say less. He said put this thing in the water. So you get in first. Hold on. Best 2-man boat, y'all, anybody could ask for right here. Nice budget. Bro, I stay close for a little bit so you can just get used to it. Best 2-man boat, y'all. He gonna be like, oh, this junk deep. It's actually more sturdier with 2 people. Whew. Can't be scared, bro. Huh? I know, bro. It's a little bit iffy when you first get on it. She'll be all right. Sure you don't want to go get a life jacket? All right. You good? We Gucci, bro. Ooh. Yeah, we out. Let's get this thing flowing. The water is crystal clear, y'all. Look. Crystal clear. Fast. I see fishes already. Look.
Don't go too deep.
You see how deep it is?
Don't go too deep. Very close to the edge.
Yo, this just crystal clear, bro. He told me stay close to the edge. You see how clear this is? You want to grab a life jacket, bro? He said he might have to. Y'all, we going back. You want to go grab a life jacket real quick? I'll cash app you the money after you pay for it. He gonna get a life jacket. Yo, that's hilarious, bro.
I don't know how people do it.
You coming back, right? You remember the location? Yeah, that is funny. Yeah, he went and got a vest. He was scared. Mask continued to still be on. He don't trust me. What can I say? He said this junk can't be that deep. This junk 100 feet deep, bro. All right, you ready to roll now, bro?
Yeah, man, you do what you want now.
We not 500 pounds, right, bro? You know, I got all the weight. So if this junk go down, it's not my fault. It's only 500 pound capacity, bro.
500 pounds?
Yeah. So it's possible this junk could go under. Yeah. Sheesh. Yeah, you hold the string. Yup. Yeah. With that one, you might get caught. So just all you do with that is just twitch it. You twitch it, yeah. You might catch a big one. Just twitch it here and there. I'll teach you how to use the bait caster, bro. Just let me know before you. Mad chill, right? Oh yeah, that's the deep blue right here. Remember, don't hook me, bro. This the spot, bro. We in the hot spot now. Let's have some fun now, bro. Oh, I thought I had a hit. Might have had a hit. This is golden. This water mad clear. You see any fishes in the water, bro? Oh, a swim jig. Yeah, best two-man boat out here. Where you wanna go? I was like, Duke or Kentucky? They switching it up like the Knicks used to be. Giants used to be. I got this big junk up here now. I got the motor. Oh! I got one? Nah, he ain't fighting unless he's swimming straight towards us. Nah, we good, we good. Ooh. Bro, what? For real? We need to go to like, shoot, a loaded lake. We gotta go to Lake Candlewoods, bro. Like 45 minutes away. See if the rattle bot could get the job done. You said it's deep? Oh, wait, freak, like I'm about to throw a worm on it. So yeah, I caught a chain pickerel, and man, my freaking camera ran out of storage room. I knew they was in here. That's why I was surprised we didn't catch one of these. Yeah, they bite, and like, this is a treble hook, so. Gotta grab them like that. Did you get the pliers, bro? Yeah. That's crazy how they could just close their mouth like that. I got him out, bro. You can take a picture from me? Yeah, we about to get a good release. This is what a chain pickerel look like. I'm sorry I didn't catch it on camera. I had to delete some footage. Beautiful guy, beautiful. Let's get him a release, y'all. He's in there. He's swimming off, straight to the bottom. He catching his ear. I know he happy I ain't eat him. Yeah, that is a relief. We did not get skunked. The rattlebot works. Yeah, I'm still upset that I ain't get it on camera when he hit. He hit that thing hard. Oh, my boy looking in the box. He trying to look up the tricks and tips in the mystery tackle box. Now he about to snag one. I'd be super happy if bro catch one. We got one, that's what that counts. We ain't get skunked. Cold weather. Wish we would have had a 5-fish bag. Oh, got another one, y'all. Let's go. Right at the boat. Right at the boat. I got this one on camera. 2 fish, y'all. Nah, it's a different one. They're like, this one's slippery though. All right, we gonna hope y'all he don't shake and I don't get hooked. It's an easy takeout though. Bro, you see the bottom. Pliers will be right there. He's gonna flip. Yep, see? There you go, he's out. He's out. Now I don't care what he do. Let's go. Another chain pickerel. That's what they look like. They got teeth on them. Yeah, I'm trying to hold him tight because he'll flip out. Let me get a picture. That'd be funny if I take a picture, he slapped me in my face. So, rattlebox do catch fish. Fish, you're not gonna get loose. You're not gonna get loose. Let's let her go. We out here killing the chain pickerel. We actually catching them, y'all. Let's release. Here you go, relax. Oh, that one took off. Let's go, bro. We lit. Come on, bro. Stop sleeping on me, bro. You sleeping on me, bro. That's what I do, man. I live for it, you heard me? Yeah. We about to call it a day, y'all. I had a good time out here with Brother Freak. Hopefully he'll come out again.